Okay, so it's been a little over a week since the chicks were born. It is time to change the bedding. So I've already removed the center panel that was dividing it. Again, if you guys have not went back and watched the Brooder build video, this is 2 feet wide by 6 feet long. That is divided in the middle, so you have two 2x3 chambers. Right now we have 15 chicks in this side. We've got another 24 eggs in the incubator, and hopefully we will have maybe another 10 to 15 here in a few weeks. So just to show you how easy this is, the easiest method to do this is to get a dustpan. Any normal kitchen dustpan. I've already taken out the warmer, the chick heater. I've already taken out the feeder and the water. And I am just gonna take all this bedding material. Oh yeah, see? Massive amounts of wasted chick starter feed. So that's gonna be the next thing to try to correct. But for now, this is just going in a 5-gallon bucket. Nothing is sticking to these little cheap vinyl tiles that we bought, which again, just makes for easy cleanup. I have these same tiles in my chicken tractor. Same results. The chicken tractor is almost a year old. No residual chicken poop or anything like that. It really does completely clean out really well. And in the bucket we go, and goodness, I'm gonna have more than a 5-gallon bucket here. I did put the bedding pretty thick when I first put the chicks in here. Okay. So we've got a 5-gallon bucket and maybe a half by the time it's settled. I just take some scrap pieces of 2x4, put those down to set the feeders and the waterers on, to at least get them above the level of the bedding. So it cuts down on the mess just a little bit. Don't know how much it actually helps. That one's a little dirty. I can scrape that off. And so you can see I'm going to fill the bedding to the point that it is covering the bottom 2x4 and just up to level with the top 2x4. I've got a little room left on this back side, so we will probably leave it at that. We will go ahead and place their feeder back where it was, and the waterer that they already have shavings in, but hopefully not filling this back as full will help with that. So just to give you guys a different angle of things, here is the center panel removed, and like I said, I just finished cleaning out everything. The chicks are all on the other side because they're freaked out. We have scraped the chicken poop off the top of the chick heater. We will go ahead and place it back roughly where it was. You could do one of two things. You can wait until they decide to make their way back over. You can close the lid. If you look, they will eventually make their way back over, but if you're in a hurry. Then we can take and we raise this side and we clean off all the mess. We can raise this side. Oh, we didn't get everything. Oh look, we just raise the lid and they automatically run to the other side. So then, yes, go on, baby chicks. That's about all there is to it. If I was not holding a camera, then we could probably do it in about 5 minutes. Now, the complicated part is going to be when we get the next batch of chicks hatched. And we have a hatch in here and a hatch over there. It's going to be a little more complicated because they're going to be bigger, obviously. Anyway, that is the bedding change on the brooder, and we will catch you next time.